Yo, I'm about to share with you a side hustle idea that could potentially earn you $2,500 every single month. Look, I know people on YouTube do not like fluff, so I'm about to jump straight into this idea. Now, I actually done this idea a little bit, all right, but not to the degree that I'm about to tell you, because honestly, I just don't got the time to do this. But if somebody is looking for a simple ass side hustle that they can start and they can kind of put a little bit of effort into, then this definitely can work. This strategy is based on the idea of posting promo ads for local businesses. All right. Now, one thing that you should know about local businesses is, well, hell, it's common sense, but they love to advertise, right? They are always looking for affordable ways to get the word out about their business. I mean, like, that's like what they do. That's what they look for, ways to get their businesses seen. All right. So this is where you can come into play. All right. So what you're going to be doing is offering local businesses the opportunity to post about their business, post a promo on your social media sites. Now, you might be thinking, who the hell would want to post on my social media sites, right? Nobody. But what businesses would be interested in posting on are established Instagram, Facebook pages about local businesses in that area. All right. So what you want to do, all right, you want to create an Instagram account and a Facebook page based around the area that you're going to be focusing on. So hypothetically, let's say we're talking about Cleveland, Ohio, because I'm like 45 minutes from Cleveland, whatever. So you want to create an Instagram account and something like Cleveland local, whatever, right? I don't know if that's taken or not, but you want to use the city in the name of the Instagram account and the Facebook page. So just say you got Cleveland local stars. Yeah. I like that. Cleveland local stars. All right. No, I don't like that. We'll just call it Cleveland local biz. Yeah. Cleveland local biz. That's the name of your Instagram page. That'll be the name of the Facebook page. All right. Now, before you can just start, DMing local businesses or emailing, whatever, you want to get some traction to these pages. All right. So just start posting content about local. You can even already start posting about like local businesses, like in the area, local events. Like, just start posting content on these platforms. Start building up a following on that Instagram page, on that Facebook page. Get likes, get followers, get some engagement already going on both pages, the Instagram and Facebook. All right. That's the key. So I would say, dedicate like at least like a month. Right. And this assuming that you grinding like really every day, send out, post content locally related. And, do the hashtags, tags, whatever you need to do. Follow people, send out invites, whatever you need to do. Take a month. Well, 2 to 4 weeks. Go hard. Build up these pages to make sure they're active. People are on them. People are engaging with these pages. That's super, super important. Once you got that going, you got content on there, you got people liking it, you got followers. What you want to do is you want to find yourself a social media auto poster. All right. Now there's tons of them everywhere, but I seen one called Metricool, Metricool, I think, Metricool. All right. Now this to me is one of the best social media auto post sites that I've seen so far. So I think you can actually start for free, whatever. So what you want to do is start approaching local businesses in your area, offering them the opportunity to advertise on your page, on your, Cleveland local biz Instagram page. So now what you want to do is start approaching local business owners. All right. You want to offer them the opportunity to advertise on your Instagram and Facebook page. So your, your Cleveland Local Biz and your Facebook Cleveland Local Biz page, right? You want to offer them something like, you're going to get one post every week, all right, on the Instagram and our Facebook page. And this post is going to include, an appealing description, proper hashtags, and a link back to your page, a tag back to your business or your website, whatever, right? You want to say you're going to get this once a week. And you can say you're going to get these posts once a week for $25 a month. So $25 a month, this local business is going to get basically 8 promos on your page. You're going to get 4 posts on Instagram and 4 posts on the Facebook page every single month for $25? Huh? What? You know what I'm saying? Now, I would just like base off that, but you can kind of, play with the numbers if you want to do 2 posts a week or whatever you want to do. But I would say like 1 post a week, right? That's dope. You might be thinking, well, who's going to create these promos, right? Well, this is what you can do. In most cases, local businesses, they have their own ads. They have their own promos and their own special images. So you can have them send them to you and you're good to go. Now, if you got some skills, if you feel like you can do it, you can get with a program like Canva or something like that, and you can create, simple ass images and promos for the local businesses for an extra fee. I'm telling you right now, if you set up these pages and you consistently DM local businesses, email local businesses, if you ain't afraid, you can even do cold calling if you really on your grind, but we'll just stick to, DMing and emailing, whatever. If you do this consistently, you are going to get clients. You are going to. It's just a matter of time if you stick with it. So here's the dope ass part about this strategy, all right? Because you might be like, damn, this sounds like a lot of work. Like, damn, I got to post all this shit like for all these businesses, huh? Well, here's the thing about using an auto poster. So say you get your first client, right? You get your first local bakery. They're like, oh my God, this is dope. I want to do it, right? So they're going to pay you $25 a month. When you're getting started, you can ask the business owner, hey, do you already have, your advertisements? Do you already have your promos that you want posted, right? Most cases, they're going to say, yeah. So you want to ask them for at least 4, right? Do you have 4, already done promos? And if they do, say, all right, send them to me. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to take these 4 images and you're going to put them in your auto poster, and you're just going to have them, you're just going to set the post, right? So it might take you 10 minutes, right? 10 to 15 minutes to set up these 4 posts that's going to auto post like every 4 weeks. You're just going to rotate the same, 4 posts. All right, so every week it's going to be a different post. That following month, you're going to start with that original post, right? You could just set it, and it's damn near on autopilot. All right, so that's what you want to do for each client that you get, right? You're going to take that time, get those images, and you're just going to set them up, right? Now, if they have more images, okay, they might be like, well, I got 12 images. All right, cool. Take an hour out your day and set up those messages to just auto repost, every week or every month, whatever, right? That's all you got to do. Once you set it up pretty much one time, you're good to go. You get that $25 initially, but you're going to be getting paid. You should be getting paid for years, right? Now, another thing that you can do, which I highly suggest, like when you're talking to these, business owners and they agree, they might have different events pop up where they want to promote for that month or whatever. Let them know, hey, look, if you want to change any of these auto posts, before they go out, hey, I'm going to need, I just need a 48-hour or 72-hour notice, right? So when that does come up, then all you need to do is go into your scheduler and change the image, right? And, put the new one in, right? That's probably not going to happen a lot. You know what I'm saying? But it could happen from time to time. But who cares? Because you're going to be making a nice little extra recurring income. And from time to time, you're going to have to log into your software and switch a post. No big deal. So it's basic math, right? How do you get to $2,500 a month with this strategy? It's very simple. $25, you want to get 100 businesses. Now you might be like, damn, 100 businesses, what? Listen, if you think about how many local businesses are just in your area, it's well over 100. And you got to keep in mind, this is one of those strategies where you do not have to niche down at all, right? Like, think about it. Any local business is a candidate to go after, right? Certain opportunities, you know, businesses, they don't work, right? It just don't match. Certain niches, certain services that you offer is not going to appeal to certain businesses. This will appeal to any local business. It don't matter if it's a bakery, a plumber, a clothing store, a coffee shop. It doesn't matter, right? You can approach anybody, even entrepreneurs in your area. It doesn't matter. So you getting 100 businesses to sign up for your promo ads, that's not crazy, right? Give yourself a goal. Sit there and say, hey, I'm trying to get 100 businesses in the next 6 months, right? Or a year, whatever your goals is, whatever. The bottom line is this strategy can 100% work if you're willing to put in a little bit of effort, and it's easy as hell to do. It's super, super easy to do. And a side note, because a lot of people, I see they post some videos and be like, oh, you didn't tell me this, or you didn't really break it down. First of all, that's the strategy, right? That's it. It's not complicated. It's not like rocket science. That's what it is. But you might be like, well, how do I get paid? Like, how are they going to pay me? Well, you need to figure that out. But one thing you can do, you can use PayPal, and you can set up your payments that whenever you send your payment link, you can automatically have them billed every month. And you can do that with Stripe. So if you don't have a PayPal account, get a PayPal account, or you can use Stripe, or you can offer both, right? And just set them for recurring payments every 30 days. You have everything you need to know to get out there, create a new side hustle that can make you a recurring monthly income. But like I keep saying, all you gotta do is just be willing to do it, right? And you can get results. Oh, and just in case you might be like, yo, you know, that 100 businesses, man, damn, I'm feeling what you're saying, but man, that's a lot of businesses. Okay, here's what you can do. Charge $50 a month and get 50 businesses. You at $2,500 a month. Now what you gonna say? Nothing. Get out there, take action, holla at your boy.